Using Microsoft Power BI, we built an interactive, live, and easy-to-use dashboard for Want My Look executives to visualize the company's data. Want My Look currently operates in 80 countries, and we have been given sales data about customers, products, and orders to create an insightful dashboard. Currently, there is no way for the management team to visualize the data and identify trends regarding customers and revenue. As part of this project, we set up two kinds of reports. Monthly report, which provides current trends, and a trailing 12-month report, which provides historical trends and insights. The web interface drastically improves the accessibility for users, including mobile devices. It is now easy for executives to share their dashboards among other employees inside of the organization. Now we will discuss how to set up files in OneDrive. These steps are to be done by an administrator who will be responsible for running the steps either weekly or bi-weekly or even monthly whenever the new input data is available for analysis. Go to the company's OneDrive folder, create a new subfolder called Analytics. From the CD, copy BI Designer files and software folders. The software folder contains the import utility, which is an Excel macro that combines and manipulates the input data. The input folder will be used by the admin to drop the raw data. Make sure the raw data is in CSV format. The references.csv file always needs to stay in this folder for the utility to perform. The output folder will be used to save the output file that is generated by the utility. Delete any existing files from this folder before you run the utility. Now let's talk about how to get the data ready for Analytics dashboard. The raw data will reside in input folder. Save this file as wml.csv in Analytics Software Input folder. Open the utility file and click the button. Now click the button, click here to import data. The browse window will pop up. Navigate to the input drive and select the input file. Wait for the macro to generate the output file. Now let's quickly look at the analyzed columns that were derived from raw data, which makes graphs visualization highly insightful. For example, columns like customers' first purchase and customers continuing to purchase after a refund experience were all analyzed and data manipulated columns. Finally, let's save the file as output in the output folder. Now save the file as output in the output folder. After a successful save, close both the utility file and the saved output file. Now that we have refreshed data, let's see how to get reports regenerated in Microsoft Power BI Designer. Go to Analytics BI Designer Files folder and open the current month file. Let's update the data for the current month report. Click on Query at the bottom of the template page, right-click and delete the existing data. Click on New Sources and select Excel. Navigate to the output folder and select the output.xls file. Select Table 1 and hit Load button. You will see the data populating now. Now the data is loaded. The graphs will be refreshed once again, reflecting the latest data. Repeat same steps for refreshing data for trailing 12 months report as well. After you refresh all reports, make sure you save the updated report files. Next, we will discuss how to set up your dashboard using Power BI. Log into Power BI interface through Power BI website. Once successfully logged in, you will see a blank dashboard. Click on Get Data. Select the designer report files using Connect button. Browse and select the designer files using Connect button. After the current months and trailing 12 months reports are downloaded, now choose any chart on the report that you just downloaded to see as part of the dashboard. And then pin it. Next time you log into Power BI, you will see all the charts that you have pinned on your dashboard. Let's quickly give you an overview of the current month report. Current month report shows graphs pertaining to the current month. Some graphs displayed in this report are revenue by market, product type, affiliate types, and customer types. Let's quickly take a look. Let's open the trailing 12-month report. This report shows graphs pertaining to the last 12 months. It shows revenue by product type, total revenue, number of countries served in current year, revenue broken down by month, total revenue by market, orders received from different sales affiliates, and the number of customers who continue to purchase after a refund experience. As part of the conclusion, let's go over an out-of-the-box feature in Power BI, which is query in free text. And the graph populates, and now you can pin this graph to the dashboard if you like. The dashboard and reports cannot be shared outside the organization if created within web interface. To overcome this constraint, reports had to be created as part of Power BI designer interface and exported out. Also, the user of this tool needs to have Office 365 subscription.